Hello, welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun. I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
So today we're going to talk about Twitter. What can you do with Twitter?
Twitter, you can do all kinds of things. You can follow the news, you can follow other people, PD, get tips, tricks, free stuff from other teachers, admin.
Excellent. So it does require an account. It's free. You need to be 18 or older to register. All users have an @ in front of their name. And then on the left here, you can kind of see what's going on with hashtags. So
What's trending.
Yeah, what's trending nationwide. And one of the unique things about Twitter is that you only have how many characters?
140.
So it's really short, and this includes spaces, punctuation,
special characters, numbers, everything.
So once you're in Twitter, this is your home feed, and this shows you everything that you're following. So to follow something, you need to search. So you can search either with the @ and look for people. So
BCSC Tech Coach.
there's Delaney, and you can go to their page and hit follow, and I can unfollow her if I want. But there are companies that have Twitter feeds. BCSC has a Twitter feed.
Yeah.
There's quite a bit out there. The moments are what Twitter puts out about what's trending. So they kind of make stories out of national trending things, election news. There's quite a bit there.
Happy birthday, Kim K.
Notifications are going to be who has liked your tweets, retweeted, or mentioned you within a tweet. So there's quite a bit there. And messages are just personal messages, direct messages that you can send to people.
They don't get put on your wall or anything.
So when you do tweet on your home here, you can add pictures and images, but you just type it in here. You can add GIFs or GIFs or whatever you want. And let's say you want to retweet something. So here's I follow Common Sense Media. You can like it, which is the heart. You can retweet it, which will ask you to quote it, which kind of cuts down on your characters, or you can just simply retweet it, or you can reply to it. This other 3 button here gives you some other options on blocking, embedding it.
You can share it as a direct message.
So there's some other options there. So what's another tool that we can use to kind of help make Twitter easier?
TweetDeck, which is my favorite. I don't ever use this part. I just use the TweetDeck. You can download it as an app, or you can just go to TweetDeck and log in. You can tweet directly from here. If you have multiple accounts, you'll have your different pictures here, and you can choose what they come from.
What's the scheduled tweet?
The scheduled tweet is you can schedule when you want a tweet to send out. So when would you maybe want that?
I don't know. Maybe if you can't make a Twitter chat and you know all the questions and want to, or if you
send a reminder to a team or something.
Reminder for a team or your class.
Yeah. So you have all of the same settings over here. You can add columns. So these are all different ones you can choose from. Or if you want to add a column of your own, you can search like IN I really like. So you can add it as a column and it'll show up over here and you can follow them. You have all different options.
So in this case, you can scroll kind of along here and see all of your tweets or notifications at home.
It's really helpful during like a Twitter chat, because then all of your hashtags for that one is all right there and you don't have to search through your home feed to try to find them.
Yep. Some other uses we've seen for it with Classroom is kind of just a running feed of what you're doing in your class. If you have those release forms, then just put pictures and communicate with parents about what's going on. Or for like my science course, I would tweet out or retweet news that was coming up. So like here's an eSchool news one. If it was something relevant to your classroom, then it could be an information feed for your students as well.
Agreed.
All right. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Happy Friday.